Hi children, welcome to fifth application book. Open to worksheet 1.3. Okay, are you ready with your worksheets? Yes. Advanced, worksheet 1.3 advanced. Here is the comprehension. I'll read this story and you try to hear, we'll answer the question answers. Right. Read the extract from The Secret Garden of Francis Hodgson Burnett. This is an extract from that story. Extract ante, chinna para, that's all. So you have to build questions, answers from this. He has given questions, you have to build answers from this paras. First one, okay. After that, she opened more doors and more. She saw so many rooms that she became quite tired and began to think that her must be 100. Though she had not counted them, in all of them there were old pictures. Pictures you call old tapestries also. So you can say old pictures enough. With strange scenes worked on them. There were curious pieces of furniture and curious ornaments in nearly all of them. In one room, which looked like a lady's sitting room, the hangings were all embroidered velvet, and in a cabinet were about 100 little elephants made of ivory. They were of different sizes, and some had the ma'outs or palanquins on their backs. Some were much bigger than the others, and some were so tiny that they seemed only babies. Mary had seen carved ivories in India and she knew all about elephants. She opened the doors of the cabinet and stood in the footstool and played with these for quite a long time. When she got tired, she set the elephants in order and shut the door of the cabinet. This is all about the description of the elephants which she saw, carved elephants chosen the room lo. So that is the description of that. In all her wanderings through the long corridors and the empty rooms, she had seen nothing alive. All are just carved. ఇప్పుడు ఎలిఫెంట్స్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ అంతా తను చూసిన ఒక బొమ్మ. సో ఇది ఇప్పుడు నౌ నథింగ్ షీ సా దిస్ పారా. సో షీ హెస్ గాన్ త్రూ ఆల్ ద కారిడర్స్, బట్ విల్ సీ వాట్ షీ ఫౌండ్. In all the wanderings through the long corridors and the empty rooms, she had seen nothing alive. But in this room, she saw something. Just after she had closed the cabinet doors, she heard a tiny rustling sound. It made her jump and look around at the sofa by the fireplace, from which it seems to come. In the corner of the sofa, there was a cushion, and in the velvet which covered it, there was a hole, and out of the hole peeped a tiny head with a pair of frightened eyes in it. Mary crept softly across the room to look. The brightened eyes belonged to a little grey mouse, and the mouse had eaten a hole in the cushion and made a comfortable nest there. 6 rooms. There were 7 mice who did not look lonely at all. Coming to question answers, what was there in nearly all rooms? What was there? Just first para you come there. What was there in all the rooms? There were old pictures, isn't it? With strange scenes worked on them. So akkada pictures unnai, rooms lo em unnai, that's all. You have to write there. In every room there were old pictures with strange scenes, that's all. Nothing more than that. What were there? They were there, that's all. Old pictures were there. Write as simple as possible, but you have to find the answer. Next one, describe the ladies sitting room. I said you know the elephant's carvation and all is there. Open to page number 3. You can find there, describe the ladies sitting room. Ladies sitting room le unnai, it was actually a para there. See second para, go to the second para. The ladies sitting room, the hangings were all embroidered velvet, and in cabinet were about 100 little elephants made of ivory. They were of different sizes, and some had their mahouts, palanquins on their backs. Some were much bigger than the other, but we don't have so much place here, ma. He has said describe, but he had given only 2 lines. So you write what you will write, second para you mark it. The hangings were all embroidered, ladies sitting room, the hangings were there, hangings were all embroidered velvet, and cabinet were 100 little elephants made of ivory with different sizes, and some had their manhoods or palanquins on their backs. Till there you write and stop, only 3 lines. Description you can't go all, no, because there is no place. Okay. Where did Mary see a pair of frightened eyes? Where? As I have already said, you have to take the answer from the question. Question nunchi start cheyali. From now you have to start that. Okay. So you have to take the answer from the question. Mary saw, see emavutadi, saw a pair of frightened eyes. What did she see? Turn. She saw a pair of frightened eyes peeping out, isn't it? Got the answer? Peeping out of the velvet covered cushion that was left on the sofa corner. Right. Next, fourth one. Who were the only ones to be alive in the 100 rooms that Mary saw? 100 rooms unnai akkada. So what were? In the 100 rooms that Mary saw, there was only what? Yes. A grey, last para. A grey mouse, and the mouse had eaten a hole in the cushion and made it comfortable. So that you write there. Mary's only mouse and her 6 babies who were alive. What is the answer? Who were the only ones to be alive in the 100 rooms that Mary saw? Fourth question, the answer is, I told you have to take the answer from the question. In the 100 rooms that Mary saw, there was what? Only a mouse and her 6 babies who were alive. Mouse and her 6 babies who were alive. Isn't it? 100 rooms lo only living creature enti? Only a mouse. That's all. Right? Write it in your application book. Write very neatly. Your writing should be very neat. It should not be clumsy, ma. Write neatly. Sharp your pencils. Write neatly. Do you think Mary was happy to see the mice? Why, you can write it in your own words. Is she happy? Of course, yes, she is happy, isn't it? Because 100 rooms all non-living, nothing living things, it was all silent. కానీ ఇక్కడ కిచకిచకిచకమంటూ ఒక శబ్దం కనిపించింది. సో ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ దేర్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? ఎస్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఓన్ వర్డ్స్ దట్. నౌ కమింగ్ టు సి, read the sentences, tick the correct meanings of the underlined words. Okay. In all of them there were old pictures or old tapestries with strange scenes worked on them. Tapestries ante ento rayali ikkada. Type of furniture, drapery, picture made of weaving thread wool drapery. Tick that. B. In all her wanderings through the long corridors and the empty rooms, she had seen nothing alive. She had seen nothing alive. Okay. Moving about, running, searching. Wandering meaning enti? Synonym. Meaning means what? Synonym. First one what? Tapestries is drapery. Second one, wandering means moving about. Right? Mary had seen carved ivory in India and she knew all about elephants. Printed, painted, engraved. Yes. Carved ante engraved. Carved means carved synonym, engraved. So you tick C. Turn to the next page. Just after she had closed the cabinet door, she heard a tiny rustling sound. Rustling ante enti? Crackling, screaming, whistling? No. Rustling ante crackling. 6 baby mice were cuddled up asleep near her. Cuddled, to lie in a cozy and comfortable, to lie in an uncomfortable manner, lying flat. Cuddled ante chakkaga la muduchukoni padukotam. So to lie in a cozy and comfortable. A, tick A. Right. Find the antonyms in these words from the passage. Antonyms, synonyms means same meaning. Antonyms means opposite words. Energetic, tired. Write down. Shall I write it on the board? Copy down. Ante, why? Because I am writing on the board. You will copy the correct spelling. You have to copy the correct spelling. Energetic is tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Next one. Same, different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Huge, tiny. T-I-N-Y. Dead, alive, A-L-I-V-E. Awake, asleep, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. Shall I repeat once again? Energetic, energetic opposite, tired. Same, different, huge, tiny, dead, alive, awake, asleep. Write neatly. Once again I am repeating.